Learn how to transform a pompon into an adorable Easter egg decoration. We are using the fun Hobby Wave Pompon Maker. Make sure the two halves of the pompon maker are attached in the middle and the half circles are open. Start wrapping the yarn around the half circles, but not too tight. You can use a single color, but we are going to use several colors together so that we can make use of all our scrap yarn. Once you're done wrapping the yarn, close the circles and use the scissors to cut the pompon open. Now work an end of yarn into the hollow space between the two halves. Tie a knot and tighten it well. Now open the half circles again and separate the two halves by gently pulling them apart from the center of the pompon maker. You may have to wiggle them a little bit to separate them. Now it's time for the trim. We're gonna slowly sculpt out pompons so that it looks like an egg. Take your time and cut slowly so that you don't accidentally make holes in the pompon. When your egg is ready, grab some yarn and a tapestry needle and sew in a nice tail so you can hang the egg. And there they are, super adorable! We hope you got inspired watching this video, and we cannot wait to shed more creative ways to use your yarn. Let us know in the comment section which colors will you use for your eggs. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when the next video is up. We will see you in the next one.